Hello, so I choose two songs. My first song is California Dreamin' from the Mamas and the Papas, and my second song is A Horse with No Name from America. So this is California Dreamin'.
All the leaves are brown, and the sky is gray, I've been forgotten for a while. On a winter's day, I can say goodbye, safe and warm. If I was in LA, if I was in LA, California dreaming.
So that was my first song. Then this is my second song, A Horse with No Name.
On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain. The first thing I met was a fly with the bugs and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain.
So that was my second song. So California Dreamin' is an indie rock song, and A Horse with No Name is also a rock song. Both of these songs for me are calm and sad at the same time. They are the same rhythm as well as the same instrument like the acoustic guitar and the rock guitar. In addition, they were made in the same decade, 80s. However, California Dreamin' has more of a joyful side. The rhythm is more speed up, not speed up, but it's a lot sunnier. Then the lyrics are different. In A Horse with No Name, they rhyme more. Why I like these songs is because first they made in the 80s, so I like the style of them, and also it's there's a nostalgic side of it, and I think you can think about your your life or your problems on these songs. Thank you for listening.